Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Samsung Members app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you click on notifications, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click on notification categories here. So you come to feedback here, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's main feedback notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.